Last night I had a tick on my leg. That was the first one I've seen this whole hike. Treated my clothes with the permethrin before this hike. Unfortunately, my mosquito netting here, I've been unable to zip this up for the entire hike. The zipper pulls need to be replaced, so laid out all my clothes that have been treated with the permethrin along the like below the zipper here. So hopefully this will be enough to just deter them from crawling in the tent. But yeah, that's the kind of thing that keeps you up at night. And today's hike looks like it's going to be just as boring as yesterday's hike. I'll follow these power lines for a while. We got 21 miles to get into town today, so I'm hoping to get there maybe mid-afternoon. Yeah, this one's all deep sand. My shoes are gonna be full of crap by the time I get done with this one for sure. It was kind of a tricky junction back there, and there's like a whole bunch of roads coming together at once. I guess I took the wrong one. I'm supposed to be over there somewhere, so I have to bushwhack through all this sagebrush and get over there. And I didn't really see a road running in that direction. I just thought it was this. Well, no wonder I didn't see the road. There was none. Over the years, I've seen probably 50 different ways to open and close a gate. And this has got to be the worst way I've ever seen. There's so much tension on this thing, it's so hard to close these things. It's just absurd. Well, the official ODT route goes all the way around this mesa, but I've been looking at the map and I can cut across by this fence line here and shave off about 3.5 miles, get to the same point. Here's the first snake I've seen this whole trail. This guy's non-poisonous. All right, here's another gate, another example of poor gatesmanship. Why would you put barbed wire? Why would you use barbed wire on the thing that you put your hand on? It doesn't make any sense. Normally, every other place I've been, every other state, you know, something like this would just be free of barbs. And then you got this stupid thing. This is how you're supposed to open it, and put tension on it, and it's just such a stupid method. Like, trying to avoid the barbs. Yeah, this is, I hate these gates. At least it's getting a little bit more scenic, a little bit less sage and more, you know, grasslands. Looks pretty nice leading up to the Steens. About 4 miles to town now, at least the first part of town. The town's pretty spread out. The store and then one of the hotels is right at the beginning of town, and then the place I sent my box is another 3 miles down the road. You got the Steens Mountains. This is where I'm going next for the next section, and you can see quite a bit of snow. A lot of it's melted over the last few days, but that's just going to mean a lot of mud and high river crossings. There's still a lot up there. Alright, just got over this pass here. The town of Frenchglen is going to be down there in that valley. And the Steens are looking pretty close now. Wow, this is the nicest view I think I've had since probably coming up Fisher Canyon. The second day out of Plush. This is really nice. At least this section ends on a good note. It's the kind of stuff I wish this whole section had. You know, this is actually pretty beautiful. This section really wore me out mentally, and now physically as well. Just starting to feel a little bit worn down. Got a little bit of cramp in my leg. I know there's good stuff ahead, and you need to put forth that extra effort to get through the stuff that sucks in order to get to a better place. So I think I've got the high effort, low reward stuff done, and now it's on to the high effort, high reward stuff. And there it is, the town of Frenchglen, population 12. I think I can count them all from here. An old telephone booth here. Well, you don't see that every day. I got myself a room here in Frenchglen. And man, is it good to have a bed and just be out of that sagebrush.
That's why my legs are thumping, is because my shoes are worn out.
Yeah.
She sent 2 summer sausages.
She had a new trail name, man. Summer Sausage. We got ourselves a cabin at the Steens Mountain Wilderness Resort. We got an indoor picnic table.